Hello winners! This is Sasha Fearless, and in this video I will show you how I take this lace closure wig and turn it into a beautiful bob. If you look to your top right, you will find the video that shows you exactly how I created this wig, and in the same video it also shows how I did a 50s pinup girlish style. If you want your wigs to lay flat, using mousse to lay and mold your style is a good trick. This helps you to define your part and gives you more control of the hair. You can let the hair air dry or put it under a hooded dryer for 20 minutes. You can use BioSilk hair oil or a light oil to give the hair a smooth silkening look before using a hot comb or a hot tool to flatten the part. In order to get a more accurate cut, I'm flat ironing the hair first. If you have any human hair wigs in your closet that you find yourself not wearing anymore, why not cut it into a cute bob style to switch up the look and wear something more snazzy? So right here, you're gonna see me attempt to do the Samvia twist cutting technique. I've done it before and had beautiful results, but for some reason, this hair was just not coping at all. It's just falling out and oh my God. But you know what? Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. I know how to fix this.
Why you cutting the hair so much? That length is good, girl. Why you cutting the hair so much? You need to stop cutting. Ain't nobody want their hair that short.
First of all, who are you and how did you get in my voiceover?
Girl, I'm just saying, like, you too scissor happy. Put the scissors down and stop cutting the hair.
Well, this is the look I'm going for. I'm going for a cute, short bob look, you know?
Yeah, that's what people say when they jacking up your haircut and they trying to fix it.
At this point, I'm just looking at the overall cut and I'm going in and attempting to even things out. Stepping away from your haircut a little bit just to look at your work is really good, just to see the overall look of the cut. Look, you can do this. Sasha has confidence in you. Right here, I'm using my thinning shears to get rid of a lot of this weight in the back. This is great if you want your bob to have a more natural, flowy look. The thinning shears are great to use on the bottom half of the hair. So after I thin the hair out on the bottom, I just put the hair on top over it and it just falls more naturally. To finish off this style, I'm just gonna flat iron it one more time. You know, give the ends a little bump so it can be popping.
Why do your makeup look so bad? I mean, you look like you lost a fight with a pack of dogs.
Look, I'm not that good at makeup yet, but I'm working on it to get better. Anyway, let's get back to the hair, okay? Because that's what's important. So overall, I like the results. And this lace closure is slayed and melted, honey.
Yeah, but see, the left and the right side don't look the same. I mean, what look were you going for?